Welcome to this Mindly 5-minute meditation. We have thought about our listeners who do not have YouTube Premium and have taken care to ensure that no advertisements will interrupt your meditation session. We've placed advertisements only at the beginning and the end of the video. If any advertisements appear at other moments during this meditation, please be aware that these have been inserted without our knowledge or control. Your uninterrupted peace during this practice is our highest priority. Okay, here we go. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit with your back straight, yet relaxed. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle in. Let's begin with 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. One more time. Breathe in and out. Now, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. If any thoughts or concerns come to your mind, simply acknowledge them, then let them pass. You are here in this moment. Now, imagine yourself starting to rise above your current position. You are floating upwards slowly. As you ascend, you look down and see yourself sitting down there. As you go higher, you see your neighborhood, your city, your country. The higher you go, the smaller they seem. Now you are so high up that you can see Earth as a whole, a beautiful sphere floating in space. Your worries, your stress, seem so tiny from up here. You continue to ascend. You see the solar system, the Milky Way, and beyond. Infinite stars and galaxies surround you. You realize how vast the universe is. Think about your worries and anxieties. In the grandness of the universe, they are like a grain of sand on an endless beach. Now, imagine the powerful force of the universe drawing each of your worries out of your mind. And as they travel through space, they start to compress under the immense pressure of the cosmos. And then, in a burst of light and energy, they explode into creation, becoming new stars. You are free. Your burdens are now a part of the universe, shimmering in the night sky. They are no longer yours. You don't carry their weight. They belong to the cosmos and have freed your mind from their presence. Feel the lightness in your being, knowing that your worries have found their place among the stars. From now on, whenever you feel your anxiety start to rise again, observe the stars and remind yourself that all this is just an illusion of the mind. Your anxieties no longer live within you. See, you can now observe them in the sky, sparkling among all the other stars in the universe. They are far from you, beautiful and free. With this new perspective, feel yourself slowly descending back to Earth, back to your body. Start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the surface beneath you, the air around you. Listen to the sounds in your surroundings. When you're ready, gently and slowly open your eyes, bringing your meditation session to a close. Before we part, we'd like to remind you to save this session to your favorites on YouTube so you can easily find and revisit this meditation. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the Mindly channel. We regularly post meditations and mindfulness practices, helping you cultivate peace, confidence, and positivity in your everyday life. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you for sharing this time with us, and remember, you are capable of anything. Take this belief into your day and make it extraordinary.